made in England is pretty much what makes Solovair what it is today. A lot of the traditional ways of making the shoes have stayed the same. If you was to walk in off the street, the first thing you'd notice would be the smell of leather.
My name is Lisa. I work in the shoe room and my main job is socking and putting thread ends down from the welting machine. The first thing I do when I come in is I put my little iron on that does the thread ends, and I go and fill the kettle for the tea.
Well, one of my favourite jobs, if I had to pick one, would probably be toe lasting, because that's literally where the shape and the structure of the shoes first begins. Loafers are notoriously difficult to last with regards to trying to keep the apron central.
My name's Alison and I'm the supervisor for the clothing room. I've worked here on and off since 1995. When I first left school at 16, I went straight into clothing room in the village where I live and just started sewing. There's a rhythm to the way the factory runs. I think every room has got their own rhythm, so everything flows through the room, ready to go to the next room.
My name's Paul Sutton and I'm the welt sewer. I've worked for Solovair for 23 years. The process I do is attaching the welt to the insole, which creates a platform for a sole to be attached to. We've had new machines, but the process is still the old way of working. That hand movements have been done for decades.
The fact that we're going very strong and have been since 1881 is very satisfying. It gives you a sense of pride, doesn't it?
It's nice to see people wearing our product, you know, to see that Solovair brand or TOAST.
Yeah, it feels great knowing that we've actually made the pair of shoes or boots, and when they're all polished up, boxed up, and you think, yeah, you know, we've made that and people are going to buy them and wear them. I think there's definitely a pride in the Northamptonshire people of making shoes for years. I hope the future of the shoemaking just carries on as it does for generations to come.